Good day everyone. Today we will discuss about web building basics, creating a site in an hour. Our objectives are at the end of this period the students should be able to know the following. First, remove the Joomla's sample data to create a blank canvas for your site. Second, customize the site's template. Third, add content. Create a framework, add articles, and add menu items. Fourth, add new features, create a contact form, and a special message block. After installing SAMP and Joomla, the next thing you will do is to log in the username and password you created. After logging in, the control panel will appear at your screen. And now let's proceed to the step 1, which is removing sample content. Deleting articles and categories. So we will click Content, Articles, or the Article Manager. On the right hand side, above the article listing, you can find the 3 drop-down boxes, Title, Ascending, and 20. We will look for Ordering Ascending. Next one. Here we will look for all. Wait. Okay, we will look for all. Then click all. And now the full list of sample articles on the page is now shown. At the top of the list, select the checkbox just to the left hand side of the title heading. All the things in the column are picked this way. On the toolbar, click on the Trash button. A message confirming that the articles have been trashed is shown by Joomla. When articles are in the trash, if you want to restore them, they still in the Joomla's database. You won't need this article again, though to permanently delete them, select Trashed from the Select Status drop-down menu on the left side of the screen. On the page, all trash articles are displayed. Select all the articles once again and now click Empty Trash. The articles are all deleted. Delete the sample categories now. These are containers that no longer exist for articles. Next, navigate the content, then Content Category Manager. Make sure to display all categories. In the drop-down box that indicates the number of the articles displayed, select All. To pick all the categories, tick the top row checkbox. Deselect only one of these categories. Uncategorized, as it is used for posts that do not suit a standard category. We want to retain this one. Next, on Trash, click. You will see a message stating that the categories were trashed successfully. The last one, to permanently remove the categories, select Trash from the Select Status drop-down. Choose all of the categories. Then press Empty Trash. It permanently deletes all the categories. Deleting menus and other modules. Deleting menus. First, proceed to Menus, Menu Manager. Choose 3 sample menus that you would no longer need it, namely About Joomla, Australian Perks, and Fruit Shop. Do not pick the main menu, bottom menu, and user menu. These 3 more generic menus will be retained so we can reuse them on our new platform. Second, press the delete button. A alert message will appear. Click OK to confirm that you want to, that you want the menus of their contents and relevant menu module to be deleted. On the menu manager screen, you will see a confirmation message and have only 3 menu left. Third, go to menus, main menu, then alternatively, if you still have the menu manager, menus, screen open, you can only click of the main menu title. With the exception of home, pick all menu items. To uninstall the selected menu items, click on trash. Fourth, since you will no longer needed these menu links, you may as well delete them from the garbage forever. Select trashed in the drop-down list of select status. Deleting modules. By now, the modules removal drill would sound familiar. In short, click on the module manager. In the extension drop-down menu, a list of modules that are in the use is displayed in the module manager. Make sure they are all shown selected all in the select box, showing the number of items shown. To the left of the status heading, press the select box. Now, deselect the generic module you're going to use in your own website. Make sure to keep this site, bottom, user menu, search, login form, and breadcrumbs. Be careful since you can remove similarly named modules such as breadcrumbs in the none position and the login module. Have a look at the site after you remove all the modules that you don't need. Use the trash button. The results are impressive. Papers have vanished, categories, menus, and redundant modules. We are left with a perfect, appropriate blank canvas for the new site. Building new site in 3 steps. First, customizing the layout. Go to Extension, click Template Manager to build a copy. In the sub-menu on the left-hand side, press Templates. To create a copy, go to Extension, click Template Menu or Template Manager, click Templates in the sub-menu on the left-hand side. Click Protostar Information and Files link on the Template Manager template screen. You are taken to the Template Manager Customize Template screen. Use the Copy button to press. Enter a name for the copy of the prototype. Example, Protostar _ copy. Just letters, numbers, dashes, and underscores can be used. On the pop-up page, press Copy Template. It closes the pop-up. To return to the template screen, now press Close. Finally, by clicking on the Styles link in the menu of the left-hand side, switch to the Template Manager, click Style Screen. You can configure the new template as the default one here. To make this your new default template, click on the white star next to Protostar _ copy - default. Preparing a new logo image. Proceed to Extension, Template Manager. The default current template is called Protostar Copy. Click on the default link for the Protostar _ copy - default. Tap the tab for option. You can see a logo option that allows you to use an image file for a logo. Pick Select. It opens a pop-up window. Next, click on Browse in the pop-up window. You will have to scroll to see it in the pop-up and navigate to your computer's corba-logo.png file. Hit the Start Upload icon. Then, the message Upload Full is shown. Now click on the new logo image thumbnail. The file name will appear automatically in the image URL field and then click Insert. You will close the pop-up window and return to the Template Manager. Edit Style panel. The new logo image has been configured. However, to customize the design, we'll also alter a few other settings. Adjust the following volumes of the option section. Now, go to Title, enter Corba, then go to Description, enter Collectors of Really Bad Art. Next, tick Save and Close. To view the output, press View Site. Step 2. Adding content. Creating a news category. Navigate to Content, then click Category Manager, tap the New button for the new one. Alternatively, you can click the menu into Content, then click Category Manager, then Add New Category. Category Manager, add the new articles category screen will open. Type News in the title area. Don't think about the others field for now, you can leave them vacant. Third, Save and Close is pressed, then a notification. Category saved successfully is shown and you can take to the Category Manager screen. Apart from uncategorized, you'll see the results. There is now one other group. It is the news. Creating an article. First, proceed to Content. Click Article Manager, add New Article. The screen of the Article Manager, add New Article, then opens. Type the title of the article in the box. In this example, Bad Photography Exhibition. Pick News in the drop-down category box. Now you see why previously wanted to build a category. Without this, you cannot allocate the required containers inside your overall site structure to any new post. Write the article on the editor screen. We'll just use dummy text. In this case, any amount of falsified paragraph text from www.lipsum.com is easy to copy and paste. Next, finally, to the article, we will add a picture. You'll find there's an image and links section below the article editor screen. These functions allows you to add an image that Joomla will view at the beginning of the text of the articles and or the introductory text of the article. In this case, we will add photos to the article's intro. Click Pick in the intro picture sector to this. In Joomla's default image folder, a pop-up screen with thumbnails of the available image appears. Click on the sample data folder icon, navigate to sample data /parks/landscape and click on its thumbnail to choose one of the available image. Select left in the image float drop-down box. This will make the picture appear in the text on the left-hand side. Only press Insert. The pop-up windows come to a close. Then, to add the full article image, repeat the previous two steps. Again, pick an image, preferably a large image in this case, and make the image float to the left. Once you've completed inserting all the article info, the article manager, add new article, screen looks like this. To save any changes you have made, click on Save and Close. You're taken to the screen articles report description are shown in the list of articles. Then, the articles is ready, but you might be disappointed if you click on the View Sites link now. Your latest post on the website has no sign of it. That's because one last move must be taken and you must add a new connection. Adding a menu link. Go to Menus, click Main Menu, then click Add New Main Menu Item. The Menu Manager New Menu Item screen will open. Click the Select button next to the Menu Item Type box and select Article. Then, click Category Blog. This form of menu link tells Joomla to show a page containing intro text and read more hyperlinks to all content in a given category. In a minute, you'll see what that looks like. Then select News in the Choose a Category drop-down box. Type News in the menu title field. You press Save. Adding uncategorized articles. Proceed to Content. Click Article Manager. Only click on New. Enter the mission statement in the title box. Make sure Uncategorized is picked in the category drop-down box. Adding the mission statement text in the text editor area and add an image if you like. You've entered the following text from this example. So, enter this text, or copy and paste this text, and then press Save and Close. The uncategorized article is finished. To make it available, we just need a menu connection. Go to Menus, click Main Menu, click Add New Menu Item. We will create a link to a single article in the Menu Manager. New Menu Item screen. Let's pick the right menu item type. Click Article, then click Single Article. The computer pop-up closely. To choose an article to which this menu link will link, click the Select button next to the Select an Article box. Choose the mission statement article in the pop-up box. The window of the pop-up closes. Next, enter the mission statement in the menu title box. Then Save and Close is pressed. To see the results, press the View Sites button. The menu also shows a new link to the article in the mission statement. Assigning articles to the home page. Go to Content, click Article Manager or the Articles. Click on the white star next to 4 posts in the status column. Hideous Tale Lives, Ugly Art Lecture, The Art of Bob Ross, and This Meeting of Years. This white star is turning orange. The findings are seen in the screen. On the home page, 4 articles are scheduled to be shown. Click the View Site tab. You have a content field home page. On the home page, 4 articles are displayed as intro text with the Read More link. Then the last step, step 3, adding extras through extension, components and extension. Creating a contact. Using components, click Contacts to navigate. It opens the Contact Manager. Only click on New. Enter the contact information on the Contact Manager. Contact screen, enter the Corba staff in the name box. Select and categorize in the category drop-down list. On our platform, there is no need for different kinds of communication categories. Next, to enter the details of the contact information you want to view, click the Contact Details tab. In this situation, it's alright to just fill in the email and telephone boxes. Entering a valid email address is crucial since this is where the form data will be sent to. Enter anything like Staff Bureau or General Inquiries in the position field. which is the text that will be shown above the telephone number. To decide if you want to reveal or hide specific contact information on the contact form page, click Display Option tab. The difficult choices are okay in this situation. Of course, to give visitors different ways to respond, you may show more contact information. Then lastly, save and close. Creating a contact form menu link. Proceed to menu, then click top or bottom. We'll add a new link to the top menu on the horizontal side. Only click on New. Select Contacts, then click Single Contact in the menu item, type List. To select the appropriate contact, Corbus tab, click the Select button next to select a contact text box. Then enter menu title for the menu item, for example, Contact Us. Then ensure that the location menu is set to the top or bottom menu. To access the Contact Display Options section, click the Advanced Option tab. Select Display Format and then Plain. Otherwise, the contact form will be shown, which is not what we want, in separate sliding or tab panels. Then, lastly, please press Save and Close. The site is now has a link on the contact menu that's shown a contact form.